Amazon continues its AI journey. We have an article here and it says Mistral AI models to be available on Amazon Bedrock. It says Amazon Bedrock has announced that it will add Mistral AI models to its lineup, providing customers with even more options for their generative artificial intelligence needs. Mistral AI, an AI startup, will soon introduce its foundation models to Amazon Bedrock's existing roster of FMs, Amazon Bedrock said in a Friday press release. The Mistral A times 7B and Mistral 7B models from Mistral AI are designed to excel in tasks such as text summarization, structurization, question answering, and code completion, according to this release. You know, with all of these different updates that these companies are making, especially these major companies, I mean, it's going to be almost no time at all before a majority of companies are employing or using AI in some sort of way, at least the ones I believe that want to actually thrive and survive into the future. The ones that don't use AI are going to be at such a massive disadvantage, in my humble opinion. I mean, as far as coming up with things, time, pricing, information gathering, quality of production of materials, just in every possible way. I just don't see how, if you want to compete, you don't start using some of these programs, whether they're from little companies or big companies. It doesn't make a difference at this point. And there's a lot of quality AI out there, but let's keep going here. It says, this is my humble opinion. It says, these models have a deep understanding of text structure and architecture, allowing them to extract key ideas from lengthy articles, the release says. See, it saves you a lot of time. They can also organize information effectively, provide human-like performance in question answering tasks, and perform code-related tasks per the release. Now, that whole provide human-like performance, it depends. Like, you got to test these things out and see which ones are best for you. Some of the AIs I use, they're very robotic. They answer me just like Google Assistant would or Siri used to do. And some of them are very, very close to being human-like. So, but that's up to you to decide once you try them out, and which I think is a really good thing, where they have all of these different free offerings where you can try them out for a little bit of time for free, most of them. And then you decide for yourself if it's human-like or not, because you might not like a robotic type of response. I find that annoying, and then you could choose something else. Let's keep going. It says their versatility makes Mistral AI's models valuable for automating and scaling knowledge sharing processes, according to the release. Now, Mistral AI, I have no familiarity with, so I'm not sure if what they're saying is true or not. Okay, so I just want to put that out there. But I was just speaking on overall AI use. They're all different from what I've seen. They all speak a little bit differently, if we can phrase it that way. It says, quote, no single model is optimized for every use case. That's true. And to unlock the value of generative AI, customers need access to a variety of models to discover what works best based on their needs, unquote, the press release said. So that's pretty much what I just said. So I feel good right now that I'm on the right track. All right, folks. Quote, that's why Amazon Bedrock makes it easy to access large language models and other FMs from leading AI companies, including models from AI 21 Labs, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Stability AI, Amazon, and soon Mistral AI, unquote. So now that you have that information, everybody, what are you going to do with it? And until next time, take care.